9 Samachi Max exercise 2.6 second sum. Simplify using multiplication and division property. First sum is root 3 into root 5 into root 2. Here this is also the orders are same, that is root 2, root 5, root 2. Root 3, root 5, root 2. So this is root, that means square root. Square root, if any number is not mentioned, means this is square root. Square root of 3 into square root of 5 into square root of 2. Because they are of the same order, the values inside, that is the radicands, can be multiplied together. So 3 square root of 3 into 5 into 2. So it is equal to 3 5s are 15, 15 2s are 30. So your value is root 30. Next sum, root 35 divided by, that is square root of 35 divided by square root of 7. Here also the order is same, it is 2. So square root of 35 divided by 7. You can write it within same square root. So it is square root of 5. So your answer is square root of 5. Next is cube root of 27 into cube root of 8 into cube root of 125. You know cube root of 27 is 3. 3 into 3 into 3 will only give you 27. So cube root of 8 is 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So it is 2. Cube root of 125 is 5. So I have taken cube root for all the three values. Now you can multiply the answers. So if you want, I will give you one more step. It is cube root of 3 into 3 into 3, that is for 27, into cube root of 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2, into cube root of 125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5. So out of 3 values you will take one value, out of 3 values again for 2, 1 2 you will take, out of 3 5s you will take 1 5. 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So your answer is 30. Now for this next fourth subdivision, 7 root a minus 5 root b into 7 root a plus 5 root b. This is a what form? A plus b into a minus b form. So you know a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So here it is a minus b, a plus b. So here a is a square minus b square. So a square, this value can be written as 7 root a the whole square minus b is what? 5 root b the whole square. So a square minus b square, this fully is represented as a and this fully is b. So 7 root a the whole square minus 5 root b the whole square. Now you can expand this. You know 7 7s are 49. Square root of any square root value will give you the same value. See, square root of a the whole square. So this is, you can it can be written as a power half the whole power 2. 2 gets cancelled, so you will get that. So whenever you are squaring a square root value, you will get the value which is within inside. So it is again here 5, square root of b the whole square is b. So your answer is 49a minus 5b. Now for this sum, you see, square root of 225 by 729 minus square root of 25 by 144 divided by square root of 16 by 81. You know square root of 225. 225 can be written as square root of 15 into 15 divided by 729 can be written as 81 into 81. Sorry, 27 into 27. So it is 27 into 27. So 729 can be written as 27 into 27 minus 25 can be written as 5 into 5. 144 can be written as 12 into 12 divided by square root of 16 can be written as 4 into 4 divided by 9 into 9. So it is equal to, when you take the square root means out of 2 values you will take one value. So 15 by 27 minus 5 by 12 divided by 4 by 9. Okay, so it is equal to, you can simplify this. 3 tables you simplify means you will get 5 by 9 minus 5 by 12. This is 3 tables means 5 times, this is 9 times divided by 4 by 9. So it is equal to, take LCM for 9 and 12. 3 times, 4 times. So 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36. 9 and 12. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9 4s are 36. So this has to be multiplied with 4 into 4. So 5 4s are 20 minus this has to be multiplied with 3. You know 12 3 3s are 9 4s are 36. So you know 12 3s are 36. Your LCM is 36. So into 3 into 3. So 5 3s are 15 divided by 4 by 9. It is equal to 5 by 36 into 9 by 4. So this and this 4 times. So your answer is 5 by 60. Okay. Here. See 20 minus 5, that is I have multiplied with 4. 5 4s are 20 because you want 36 to be your LCM. So 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15. Subtract means you will get 5 by 36 divided by 4 by 9. So division means you will write the reciprocal. So 5 by 36 into 9 by 4. 9 tables 4. 4 4s are 16. Numerator you have 5. 5 by 16. So this is your answer.